So for today, we are going to bake a fruit tart. So first, we are gonna add the 1/4 cup of butter. Then, we are gonna add the 1/4 cup of sugar. So we will just mix it and let it cream. After mixing it thoroughly, this is our final product. I use a softened butter so that we can mix it easily. Then, we are gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix it again. Now, we will need a 1 egg. We will put it in a separate bowl. A 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Then, we will just mix it. Then, we are gonna add it to our bowl. Then, we are gonna add a 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Make sure that your flour is already sifted. Make sure to not overmix our dough. Now, we will form it to a ball, then wrap it with plastic wrap. Make sure that your hands is clean before you touch our dough. We will form it to a ball. Then we will wrap it with plastic wrap. Like this. Now, we will rest this to our chiller for 1 hour. While we are waiting, we are gonna make our egg custard. So to do this, we are gonna need a 3 egg yolks. We're gonna lightly beaten it. Then, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. We are just gonna mix it. After mix it thoroughly, this is going to be the final product. Then, we're gonna need a little bit of the 500 grams of milk. We will use this later. Mix it again. In a pan, we're gonna put the remaining 500 grams of milk. Then we are gonna add a 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, we will mix it. After that, we are gonna put the mixture that we did earlier. Then, a 1/2 cup of sugar. We're just gonna combine it until it thickens. We will mix it until we get our desired texture. So for me, this is my desired texture. Then, we're gonna transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down. While we are still waiting, we're gonna preheat our oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Then, we will grease our pan with butter so that our dough will not stick onto it. After an hour, we're gonna put some flour to our table because we are gonna need it. Then we will use a rolling pin to flatten it. After we flatten it, we're gonna cut it. After we're done, We're gonna poke it. Now, we will bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. After it is done, we're gonna put our egg custard onto it. So this is the final product of our fruit tart. Thank you for watching.